Hi guys, this is part 2 of the HBX 12891 DUNE THUNDer review. Let's start with the fine gravel test. As you may know, I prefer fine gravel. It's just so much fun to drive on this surface. As you can see, drifting on fine gravel is easy with this perfectly balanced buggy. Time for the mandatory big jump. Nice! This thing is just so much fun to drive on fine gravel. The battery is now nearly flat, and this is the end of this test day. And this is how it looks below the body after this gravel torture. Looks good, I think. You can see some fine gravel on the gearbox cover gap. And this is how it looks inside. Not very good. So if you want to drive it in fine gravel, I strongly recommend to add an additional sealing using some white glue. And this is a little shock teardown. Indeed, there is oil inside. And the piston has a double silicone O-ring sealing, very good. Next test day, a little trail run. Yes, it's a buggy, and gravel is its home. So, I really like this buggy. It's not the fastest, but the steering and the oil-filled suspension are really well done. Thanks again to rcmoment.com for sending this in. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Bye!